Alright, well, I'm in my basement. There are tornado warnings going off. So, trying to figure out where to go. Laundry room, solid concrete, green screen room, or underneath the stairs. I have no clue.
Turn it up. You're gonna open it.
Alright. So 11:12, we're under tornado warning till 11:30. It's supposed to hit where we live at 11:30. So I decided to go into our laundry room because solid concrete. It'd be hard for a tornado to get through here, but who knows? But yeah, we are officially under a tornado warning. It has been spotted close to where we live, a little bit west, that there has been a house that's been taken away by a tornado. So hopefully these concretes pay off. So who knows? Guess I'll just stay in here and wait and see what happens. Hopefully everything will be alright. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, guys. Alright, so I decided I'm going to my brother's room. Dog's flipping out. Oh well, my room's safe too, but this room's underground too. So I have no clue. It's pretty sketchy right now. There's already damage reported by places of ours. Throw a pillow over top of my head. See? Okay, so the tornado is here, where I live. I won't give that away because it's personal stuff. 11:22. You might miss this. Tornadoes where I live, but it might go north a little bit and miss us, or it might go east a little bit and hit us. I'm tired. Can you see bags underneath my eyes? It's because I'm tired. I don't know. Might be missing this. Is it gonna miss us?
Especially in the downtown area and on the north side. But it looks like the tornado is going to probably go across the river just to your northwest, and then into that rural area between Rio to the north and Owensboro to the south, and cross over near Pueblo there.
And Wayne, the Weather Service has this thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Stanley, picking up speed a little bit now, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. The storm has a history of significant damage to homes. Locations in the warning include Stanley, Rockport, Grandview, and of course the city of Owensboro as well. And that's going to go until midnight.
Okay, so right here is where we think the tornado is.
Midnight.
Owensboro, you need to remain in your tornado safe area. The most dangerous location, I think, is here near Pueblo. It's getting very close as it crosses the river to Indiana 161.
Remain, don't sit down. Remain, come on. Come on. You on the couch. Get over here. Let's go get in the
Up here towards Pueblo and then up to
Oh, yep, starting to get windy. Starting to get windy. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, let's switch over to 725.
Oh, shoot. Shoot.
In the mid part, we're looking on the Kentucky Wesleyan campus. The light you see off in the distance there, the Blue Bridge, and that's the area if we have a tornado on the ground. It's likely going to be in this area right here. Haven't seen a whole lot of lightning. That's going to be basically the only way we're going to be able to see any funnel or possible tornado touchdown here. We're now looking more towards the northwest and parts of the city of Owensboro again. Looks like much of the city has maintained power, but the wind's starting to really rock here, right along into the midtown area there of Owensboro. You can see that in our Skycam 25. We continue to pan a little bit more towards the east. On the bottom of your screen is the Wesleyan Plaza there with the Kroger. And at this point I don't see any...
You coming? You.
How did y'all get my stuff?
The National Weather Service do have issued a tornado warning for the Davis County, Kentucky,
Yep, that's us.
Spencer County, Indiana, until midnight.
Watch out, girl. Watch out. Watch out. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Ah! 11:27 now. Yeah. Turn this around. Dog going crazy during a tornado.
Y'all in here? It's getting windy, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mom, where you at? I'm getting there.
Try to get this mattress over my head. This is how you prepare for a tornado. Get a mattress over your head.
It's not coming this way.
Yeah, it is.
No, oh,
Yeah, right.
it's going up to the yellow.
Yeah, it has.
My phone. What are you doing with it?
It was already in here.
Was it ringing?
No. Where are you going?
Out here?
Why?
Here? It's done bypassed us.
No, it hasn't. You feel my heartbeat? Listen. I'm pretty safe. Underground, got a mattress over my head, and got a pillow. I should be pretty safe. Hope nothing falls on this mattress because it'll squish me. I'll be like, ah! Underground in my room now too. See, my room's underground, but anyways, it's all good. It missed this barely. Whew, thank God. Prayers work. Make sure you pray. Whew. All right. See ya.